Tired of navigating complex legal hurdles and wondering if there's a better way to handle your business and personal legal needs without breaking the bank? It's a question many of us ask. We know that legal matters, whether it's forming a business, drafting a will, or protecting intellectual property, can be daunting. The traditional route of hiring a lawyer often comes with hefty hourly fees and a sense of uncertainty about the total cost. Then, along came online legal service providers like LegalZoom, promising a more affordable and convenient alternative. And for a long time, LegalZoom has been the go-to for millions. They've built a strong brand, offering a wide array of services from LLC formation to trademark registration, and even personal legal documents like wills and trusts. Their user-friendly platform, step-by-step guidance, and fixed pricing models certainly brought a much-needed breath of fresh air to the legal landscape. But here's the thing about innovation and competition. They don't stand still. While LegalZoom has undoubtedly served its purpose well for countless individuals and small businesses, the online legal services market has evolved significantly. What was once a revolutionary service might now be just one of many options, and not always the best one for every specific need. The landscape has matured, and with that maturity comes specialized providers, more competitive pricing, and even more tailored support. So, if you've been relying on LegalZoom, or if you're just starting your journey into online legal services, it's worth asking, what's better than LegalZoom? What are the alternatives that might offer more value, better features, or a more personalized experience for your unique situation? Let's dive into that. First, it's crucial to understand why someone might even look beyond LegalZoom. While they offer convenience and affordability compared to traditional law firms, LegalZoom often faces criticisms regarding its pricing structure, which can be prone to upsells and add-ons that inflate the final cost. Their basic plans might seem attractive, but they often lack essential features like a registered agent service or an EIN, forcing you to pay extra. Furthermore, while they connect you with attorneys for consultations, the depth of legal advice can sometimes be limited, and they explicitly state they are not a law firm, meaning they cannot provide direct legal advice or represent you in court. This DIY approach, while cost-effective for simple matters, can leave gaps if your situation becomes complex or requires nuanced legal interpretation. This is where a new generation of online legal service providers comes into play, each with its own strengths and areas where it truly shines. Let's start with Zen Business. If you're primarily focused on forming a new business entity, especially an LLC, Zen Business consistently ranks high as a top alternative. They offer very competitive pricing, often starting with free LLC formation. You just pay state fees. And their registered agent service is significantly more affordable than LegalZoom's. Beyond just formation, Zen Business also offers ongoing compliance services, ensuring you stay on track with state requirements, and boasts excellent customer reviews for their responsive support. Their focus is clearly on supporting entrepreneurs through the entire business lifecycle, making them a strong contender for startups and small businesses. Then there's Rocket Lawyer. This platform takes a slightly different approach by emphasizing a more comprehensive suite of legal services beyond just business formation. While they do offer LLC formation, their real strength lies in their extensive library of customizable legal documents and their Ask a Lawyer service. With a Rocket Lawyer membership, you gain access to thousands of legal document templates, e-signatures, and the ability to ask specific legal questions to attorneys. This is particularly beneficial if you anticipate needing various contracts, agreements, or legal advice on an ongoing basis. Their membership model often provides more predictable costs for recurring legal needs, offering a valuable alternative for businesses that require frequent document creation or general legal consultations. For those prioritizing privacy and a straightforward, no-frills approach to business formation, Northwest Registered Agent stands out. They are widely lauded for their exceptional customer service and their commitment to client privacy. Unlike some other providers, Northwest doesn't have confusing tiered packages or aggressive upsells. Their pricing is transparent, and they include a year of registered agent service with their formation packages, often at a lower overall cost than LegalZoom. They are particularly strong for businesses that value privacy, as they allow you to use their address on public filings, helping to keep your personal information off the record. If affordability is your absolute top priority and you're comfortable with a more DIY approach, Bazzi, formerly Inkfile, is another strong contender. They offer free LLC formation services. Again, you pay the state fees. And their packages are generally very budget-friendly. While their customer support might not be as hands-on as Northwest, they provide a solid service for basic business registration, making them a good choice for cost-conscious entrepreneurs. And let's not forget Ink Authority. Like Zen Business and Bazzi, Ink Authority offers free LLC formation and a free year of registered agent service. They've been around for decades and have a strong reputation, particularly for their business credit analysis and tax consultation services, which are often included with their free package, a unique offering that sets them apart for new businesses looking for broader financial guidance from the get-go. For more complex or specialized legal needs, such as intellectual property matters beyond basic trademark registration, or if you require representation in litigation, the answer to what's better than LegalZoom almost always points back to a traditional specialized attorney. Online platforms are fantastic for routine legal tasks, but they generally cannot offer the depth of expertise, personalized strategy, or courtroom representation that a dedicated law firm provides. For critical matters, a consultation with a lawyer who specializes in your specific area of need is often the most prudent course of action. Ultimately, the better alternative to LegalZoom depends entirely on your specific needs, budget, and comfort level with handling legal matters. If you're forming a straightforward LLC and want competitive pricing with good support, Zen Business, Northwest Registered Agent, or Ink Authority might be your best bet. If you need a consistent stream of legal documents and regular consultations, Rocket Lawyer could be a more cost-effective choice. And if your legal situation is truly unique or highly complex, remember that online services are a tool, not a replacement for comprehensive legal counsel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.